Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, in the previous session, we have discussed about some of the container tags in HTML. In HTML coding, I told you that in the beginning and in the end, we are always using HTML tag. We have also discussed about head tag for defining the heading for the HTML program. Title tag we use when we want to define the title of the web page. I already explained you that we are using body tag for displaying the main content of the web page. And these tags which we have discussed in the previous session, they were all container tags. Today I am telling you one empty tag. Name of this empty tag, it is BR tag. You can insert a line break to instruct the browser to break the text and go to a new line. You can use the line break tag BR tag to control where your text breaks. Web browsers normally wrap text automatically where a line of text reaches the right side of the browser window. It breaks and continues on the next line. You can also use BR tag to add blank lines between the paragraphs. So first of all, I am explaining you why we have to use BR tag. Look at this small HTML program where I have used BR tag 2 times. As you can see in this program, this BR tag, it has just starting tag, means only beginning tag it has. There is no closing tag for the BR tag. So it is an empty tag. And BR tag we are using for starting the text from a new line. After typing this whole program, in the last, if you have used here body tag, then its closing tag, it must be used here. How? By using here this forward slash. Same way, HTML closing tag will be used in the end of this program. After writing this program, you have to go to file menu, then choose save as option from it. Then this save as dialog box, it will appear, and here we have to type file name in the file name box. I am giving here file name line dot extension. I have told you that you have to always give extension .html if you want to save this file as a web page. Then after typing here file name, you will be telling where to save it. I want to save it on the desktop, so this is to be selected. After that, you have to click on save button. So in this way, now this program, it has been saved on your computer. Now we will close it, and now we will run this web page. Look at the desktop now here beta. This is that program which we have just saved as a web page. Now bring the mouse pointer here, right click on it. Once you will right click on this web page, then this type of menu it will appear on it. Now you have to open this with the help of open with option. Click on open with option and click on Google Chrome. This is name of web browser. Select it like this. Now after few seconds you will watch that your computer it will display a web page which you have created just now. Look at the screen carefully, students. Here you can see we have given title of the web page adding new lines. So it has been displayed in the title bar. Under it you can see then we have written this text address of Scholars Public School. It has been displayed here. After that, as we have used BR tag, it is displaying that particular text in the beginning of which we have used BR tags in two different lines. So in this way, you can show your text in different new two lines. So this is only because of BR tag. So today, firstly, I have explained you what is the use of BR tag in the HTML code. Now, I am just closing it. Again, we will open Notepad. Open it. Now, after the BR tag, I am going to explain you about another tag. The name of this tag is HR tag. First, I want to tell you what is the meaning of HR tag. HR it stands for horizontal rule. You can add a horizontal rule or line across your web page to separate different sections of information. By default, most web browsers display a horizontal rule as a thin gray line. You can insert any number of horizontal rules on a web page. So, I am telling you now where to add this HR tag. Now, here I am going to add HR tag in my HTML code like this. After this, if you have to define the horizontal rule, thickness and length, then how can you define this? I am telling you. Suppose you want to define the thickness and length of a horizontal line, then you have to use two attributes. You can set thickness and length of a horizontal line using the size and width attributes. Now I am telling you how it is to be done. Look at the screen carefully, all of you. Firstly, we will define the size. Size I am taking 10. This is horizontal rule size. After that, we have to define its width. And for defining width, we will write the value in the quotation marks. I am taking 50% width for the horizontal line. So after defining size and width for the horizontal rule, again we will go to file menu, we will click on save option like this, and now I am just closing it. I am going to run this web page again. I will right click on this, then I will go to open with option. After that select which option? Google Chrome, which is your web browser. Now just have a look on the screen. Look here on the top. This is horizontal room which has been displayed here on the top of your web page. So in this way you can add a horizontal line here on the top. Now I will tell you about another type of tag. Again we have to open that HTML program I have opened in front of you. Now I am telling you about another tag. The name of this tag, it is heading tag. There are students total 6 heading levels which vary from H1 to H6. H1 tag defines the largest heading and H6 defines the smallest heading. Firstly, I am telling you about the level 1 heading, which is H1. I am adding here now, here H1 heading. Look on the screen carefully how it is to be done. In the end of this text, we will close the heading tag H1 by putting here forward slash and close this angle bracket. This is H1 tag which I have added. This is for displaying the text in the largest form. Now here I am adding heading level H6, which is the smallest heading level. This is its closing tag for heading level H6. After adding these heading levels, again we will save the changes in it, close it. Now just try to run this program by clicking on open with Google Chrome. Now you will just look at the screen. Look here, I have used H1 heading level, so the heading, it has been displayed in the largest form. But with Rajpura I have mentioned here H6 heading level. I told you H6 defines the smallest heading. So in this way the web browser displays each heading with a different heading level. So students, that's all for today. I hope you have learned all the steps properly for changing the heading levels, for inserting the horizontal line, and for inserting the new lines. Thank you so much for today.